Have you ever felt so hungry that your tummy rumbled like thunder? There once was a little boy who pressed his nose against a bakery window watching fresh bread cool on the shelves, but his pockets were empty and his heart was heavy.
This happened during the blessed month of Ramadan, when the crescent moon shines bright in the sky. During Ramadan, people fast from sunrise to sunset, and when the sun goes down, families gather to break their fast together with delicious meals. In a colorful neighborhood, a kind-hearted girl named Layla walked home from the mosque. She saw the little boy at the bakery window. His eyes looked so sad. Layla's heart filled with compassion, and she knew she had to help. Layla rushed home where her mother and father were preparing a beautiful iftar meal. The table was filled with dates, soup, rice, and fresh fruits. The smell of warm bread filled the air. Layla told her parents about the hungry boy, and they smiled warmly. Together, they packed a basket with food and drinks. Layla and her family walked to the bakery and found the little boy. When they gave him the basket, his face lit up with the biggest smile. He said thank you over and over again. Layla felt warm and happy inside. Helping someone who was hungry made her feel like she had done something truly special. Her parents hugged her and told her how proud they were. This is what Ramadan is all about: sharing, caring, and thinking of others. All around the neighborhood, people were sharing meals with their neighbors and those in need. The mosque was filled with tables of food for everyone. Children played together while families laughed and shared stories. The community was united in kindness and generosity. Remember, just like Layla, you can make a difference too. Whether it's sharing your lunch, helping a friend, or simply being kind to someone who needs it, every act of kindness counts. Let your heart be as bright as the Ramadan moon, always ready to help others.